Hi, I'm Dr. Frank Lista here at the Plastic Surgery Clinic, and it's Monday, 2 days before Christmas, right after the big ice storm in Toronto, and we're operating today. You may know, if you live in Southern Ontario, you know that there was a gigantic ice storm 2 days ago, and there's power out to 350 homes in the Toronto area alone, as well as all across Southern Ontario. And today we're able to operate at the Plastic Surgery Clinic, not just because we have power, but because of that emergency generator you see on the roof. So that emergency generator has been really important for the safety of the surgery that we do here. And any of you who have been watching our videos know that we've been talking about how we make people look really natural when we do their surgery, but the other thing that we're really interested in is safety. And having an emergency generator has been really important to us. So even though there are 2 hospitals in the GTA that have no power, we're able to operate here, not only because we have power, but because of the emergency generator, which on more than one occasion has come into play to save us in a difficult situation. So we're performing surgery today, and it's perfectly safe because of our emergency generator, which is an incredible asset here in the clinic. And I'm going to talk to you all about it and show you this amazing device and how it works for our patients here at the clinic. So come on inside and we'll show you some of the systems. So here we are in our electrical room. This is our main electrical panel. It's like the fuse box you have at home, except about 10 times as big. The clinic has 400 amp power, so that's about 4 times what a normal house has. So the power comes in the hydro into this box, but if the power fails, our emergency generator switch, I'm going to show you the switch right now, kicks in. So come on over here. So this gigantic green box, that's as tall as me, is a switch. It's hard to believe. That's what this is a switch. And it's the generator switch by Cummins Generator. And so if the power is off on the hydro, this switch detects that there's no power and automatically kicks in the generator. So the generator starts and supplies power to the whole building, and that process takes 3 seconds. So the operating room is not in the dark. In that 3 seconds we have battery power, and then this power kicks in. So here we are on the roof of the clinic, and here's the star of our show, our emergency Cummins generator, which provides enough power to run the entire clinic. So this weekend when the ice storm was on, I'm sure you can see the trees all around us, the emergency generator came into power. And even though, as I told you before, there's 2 hospitals in the GTA without power, we're able to run here at the clinic, not just because we have power, but because the generator's here for backup. And it's come into action before. If you remember when the big flood in Toronto happened last summer, power was out to our local hospital. They had to stop surgery. We were able to continue to operate. So not only do we worry about giving patients a really natural look, but we also our main concern is making sure that surgery is done super safely. So with power out all across Ontario and Toronto, we're able to continue to operate and provide safe surgery to our patients. And that's what it's all about, giving patients a really great result in a really safe and warm atmosphere. So I hope your power is back. Ours is on. Come by, visit us if you need someplace warm to hang out. And in 2 days it's Christmas, so we're wishing you a very Merry Christmas. Join us at the Plastic Surgery Clinic. Watch us online on YouTube and Facebook or on our Twitter account. And I hope you have a great holiday.